Hi everyone, I'm Associate Professor SARA BICE, and in this short video, I'm going to walk you through the technology that we'll be using for SPPM's online Globalization and Governance course. We've had a few questions about how to access things and where to go and what to do, so this video is going to answer all of those questions, I hope. So the first thing that you should do each week and before each lecture, which will be released on Monday afternoon and Thursday evening Beijing time, is come here, SPPM Globalization and Governance.wordpress.com. On this website, you will find the portal to everything that you need for the course, including this very handy online course guide, which provides you with other videos that demonstrate how to use the technology in the course. So if you haven't already, go ahead and watch these videos and have a read through the online course guide because that will support you to engage in online learning. Each week, if you click on the lecture tab, you will see the topics for the lecture according to date. And on the day of the lecture, at the scheduled lecture time, we will provide you with web links to the pre-recorded lecture videos. You can access these either as streaming videos on YouTube, or you can go to a streaming video on Tsinghua Cloud. So if you click the Stream on YouTube link, that's going to take you to our class YouTube channel. You can also choose to subscribe to this channel. So if you're a YouTube user, feel free to go ahead and log in and subscribe to our channel. Here you'll be able to access all of our videos, and I've organized them into playlists. So here you can see all of the videos for week 1. These are videos about your assessment tasks, and these are videos that relate to the online course guide, including how to use different technology in the course. So if you're outside of China, you can click on the stream on YouTube and you can watch all of those videos. And when you're in YouTube, you can choose to subscribe to our SPPM Globalization and Governance channel, where you can access all the videos or see them organized into playlists. If you're within China, or you would prefer to watch the videos through Tsinghua Cloud, that's also an option available to you. So simply click on Tsinghua Cloud, and then you will see our SPPM Globalization and Governance library. So similarly to the YouTube playlists, everything is divided very clearly into folders. And when you click on the relevant folder, you will be able to see all of the videos that are relevant for that lecture, as well as the PowerPoint slides. So you can download and stream videos from Tsinghua Cloud if you're within China. The other thing that you can do within the website itself is download the PowerPoint slides without video. So these are a much smaller file size. You can access them here. Every week, you can also download a small PowerPoint slide deck, which will give you questions that will guide our live online discussion forum conversations. And if there are other videos, for example, this one with Kishore Mahbubani, which is a recording from the BBC that we want you to access during a lecture or for a week, you can access that here. So those are the various technologies that are available to you all directly through the course website. And the other place that you'll want to visit is our class Padlet. So Padlet is an online collaborative software, and here at padlet.com/sjbice/G&G sandbox, you can write, record, respond, film, paste, post, whatever, your responses to the discussion questions and activities after each lecture. So you can see here, these are the questions for lecture 1. These are the questions for lecture 2. And this is a request that's to do with your first assignment. The final piece of technology that we're using together is Zoom meetings. So each week we will offer 2 times for an online discussion forum. So it's repeated twice at different times to meet the needs of people in different time zones. And all you need to do when you come into Zoom is click join, type in the meeting room number, which is 224-858-2817, and click join. And you'll then be in the Zoom meeting room with all of your colleagues from around the world. And if you'd like, you can turn on your video. That won't work now because I'm using my video to record this video. And when you're ready to speak, just make sure that you unmute yourself. Okay? So that's it for the technology for the course. But just remember, if you're lost at all, your first port of call is the Globalization and Governance website, and everything you need is here. And if you are totally and completely lost, you can always come to our WeChat group and ask our friendly course TAs a technical question, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So thanks, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are,